I put everything that I saved in 7 years, the money that I wanted to buy a house in a stock market, and I lost 76k in 1 week. I just like 76k in 1 week. That's you can see here. Totally I lost 100k, and some section of this money was the money that I took it from my parents. They don't know that I did such a stupid mistake. And to be honest, I really feel shame about the section of the money that's for my parents, because I know my father works very hard. I really miss him right now. He is in my country, and even the situation is very bad. My country, they cut the internet because of the war. My country is Iran. They cut the internet because of the war, and I cannot talk to my family for 1 month or even more. Before it again they cut the internet before. I couldn't talk to my family for 1 month. We cannot have a video call, and I really missed it. I think that the reason that I did a stupid mistake in 1 week was I was under a lot emotional pressure. I was under a lot emotional. I really miss my parents, and I really want to talk to them. And previously, I made a stupid mistake that I put my money in a stock and I lost about 20k. And then I want to buy a house, and then I had 20k less. I need 20k, and then I don't know. Last week I put all of my money in a small stock, and I didn't know. Apparently, for a small stock, they can manipulate the stock a lot. For the smaller stock, like the insider could understand when a lot of money comes to the stock, and oh boy, I think I lost this 7k in 2 days. Like literally in one day, I lost 40k, and then I really panicked. And the next day, I made this stupid mistake again. I put it in a very small stock in order to recover it, at least recover half of it, and then I lost everything. And the things that really makes me feel sad and really makes me feel emotion is that some section of this money is for my parents, some section is for my dad, and I know he's working really hard to make this money. And I didn't tell him. I cannot tell him. There's no way I can tell him. I really feel shame to tell him that I waste what was your effort in order that I thought I could somehow make it more. If it was my money, I wouldn't be that much sad. If it was only my, and really, right now I don't know what should I do. I didn't go for a stupid YouTube video. Oh, I lost money, blah blah. I really have no one to talk to him about these things that happens. I literally have no one, and that was exactly things happened to me. I didn't know for a small stock, if a huge money comes, the insider can see it and then they can sell it. They can reduce the price of stock like significantly 40%, and that's what's happened to me. I'm if I saw it goes down, of course I will sell it, but it happened very sudden, and I really don't know. It's a mix of a lot of emotion and feeling that even I am under a lot of emotional pain because I cannot even talk to my family. I told you, like, the internet is cut off. Like, I am here far away from my country. I cannot fly back to my country. The airport is closed, and it was 1 month. I really miss my parents, my mother, my father, and Now I face all of the my father's effort. I really thought that I want to do something. I thought that I want to help him. I thought that I'm from this generation. I know like how to make money kind of online or stupid thing. And then right now even I feel shame if I can call to my parents and I talk to them. Even if I don't tell them, just talking to my father, I feel shame because even though I didn't want to do it, it was not on purpose. I really when I got the money from here, I never touch it. I never go outside to spend it. I never, I don't know, go buy an expensive car or something like that. And then I try to save it as much as possible. Then this happened. That's very sad. I have no idea how can I recover from it. I have no idea. Like 100K. If I live only by myself, if I had no family, I wouldn't be upset. Okay, I lost my money, doesn't matter. But the feeling of guilt that some portion of it is for my father, plus the feeling that I really miss them right now. I cannot talk to them. They cannot be near me. That put me in a very, very emotional situation and very. It's a lot of pain. It's a lot of emotional pain, and I don't know really. I don't know what should I do. Is there any other? Is there any way that I can recover it? Which I don't think so. Should I do a stupid mistake and put it again on something? I don't know. And it was a really sharp drop. Like it was. Oh my god! On Friday. It was last 40K goes down, and then I panicked. No, sorry, on Tuesday, Thursday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays happened, and after that I got off on Friday. I couldn't go to work on Friday, even though I tried to save my holiday that I go and see my family, but I couldn't go to work on Friday. I literally don't know. I didn't have anyone that I could talk about this thing to them. I told you like all the connection to my country is not possible. Like you cannot call anyone, and here I'm by myself in Canada. And really I panicked on Friday, and even when I called my never mind. And then I stayed home, and then Saturday and Sunday I recovered. And then again I told that okay, like I cannot be that. What's the chance that the stock goes up and down? Then I put it exactly on that point, it goes down like 30%. I said that okay, if I put it in other stock and it goes up like 30%, then I can at least recover it. And then I did again, and as soon as I buy, the stock drops, and they understand they are right. They can manipulate it. They have insider information for the small stock especially, like. And that's interesting. I bought it, it goes down significantly. I sold it, I lost about 30K. I sold it, the stock goes up significantly. If you know, is there anything that I can do, please help me. If you, I don't know, like, I cannot even go to work right now. I am so drained. Like, I'm so mentally drained. And now I just want to be near my family. And that's the reason I made this video I cannot be near them, and I cannot talk to them. So I feel that I need to talk at least to someone. I don't know. What should I do? Like 100K? It's not possible that I can recover it. It's not possible. It's not possible. Thank you.